like a boss. Hi guys, we are in Eskisehir now, and it is known as a city of students and universities because of three main unis that are located here. Also, it's a city of museums, as we figured out, because there are like 5 of them, I think. And we came here without a certain plan, to be honest, just to go sightseeing somewhere in the city center. And the city is also known as Turkish Venice. They have canals. They have only one river, but still. The weather is not cooperating, by the way, today. But I hope it's not gonna start raining. What is this thing for?
These bells? It's a part of culture of here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
We've been using this to, show the people that this machine is working. Grinding coffee, yeah.
So it's to catch attention from people.
Yeah, catch attention from people, yeah.
I see. This is tasty. Thank you. This city seems to have everything: hustle and bustle, trams, crowds, a lot of bikes and mopeds here. It actually reminds me of Istanbul in some way. What do you think about the color of the river?
Yeah, I think they just open it.
Okay guys, so gondolas have arrived. We're gonna go and try this.
It's warm. Heated seats.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's so nice.
This is how a car plays, right? It's going surprisingly fast.
Yeah.
So it is powered.
Do you think so?
Yeah.
Like a motorboat?
Yeah, maybe it's like electric. What a fancy life, huh?
Now we want to try that boat tour.
I'm the captain now. This is burr burr. This one is
It's a Volvo.
Volvo. And everything is in English. Horn, hander, main. And it goes up to 40 knots.
And it has a stereo, you see.
It's fancy. We need to...
Let's go. Pretty quickly, but it's definitely longer than the gondola tour. This one is maybe like 15 minutes, but still it costs like 30 lira per person.
Check out these monuments, all gold. Oh man, it's cold.
5 minutes away from our hotel there is a place called Woodmarket Modern Museum. And on photos it looks slightly different, like there is more space around, and in fact it's tucked between the surrounding houses. Here, have a look.
Oh, wait. It's actually hard to get in the modern
art, yeah. Yeah, so we bumped into a part of the city where there are like maybe 10 museums around. Just in one block behind us there is a hammam museum. How do you call hammam? It's like a steam bath.
Hammam, it's hammam.
This greenhouse behind is a wax museum, right?
Yeah, they have like figures of people in wax.
Ah, yeah, it's like Madame Tussauds.
Yeah, kinda.
Just behind me now there is a wooden art museum. Yeah, just this way. Right at the entrance to the hammam museum there is a fountain, and here they have a lady made out of mosaic and some dome.
Are they part of hammam?
I think it's just decoration.
It's actually cool. Here we are in the middle of some parking lot.
With a flat tire, yeah.
With a flat tire. He doesn't speak English. He don't speak Turkish. Our car rental wants a receipt from him, but I highly doubt he has a terminal, so he probably cannot provide us with the receipt
Yeah,
of the work.
I think it's his like family business. You put this thing inside the tire and it creates foam inside.
Right, does it explode?
No,
And what do you do with the foam?
it's a way just to inflate it for like some time and to be able to get to the tire shop. And then
right.
they disassemble the wheel and they just wash it out.
So we'll have to
Yeah, I think
drive
so.
to the shop.
Mhm.
After the guy put some foam in our tire, he apparently told us it was all fixed.
Yeah.
Which is, I don't know if it's actually true.
Which we doubt, to be
Y-
honest. Yeah, 'cause,
yeah.
I used to use this tire like once maybe, and it says that you put the foam inside and you have to wait for it like maybe 5 to 10 minutes. Then you have to go to the nearest repair shop at the speed like 40 kilometers per hour maximum. And they're gonna wash it out and just fix the tire properly. But this guy, he says that he uses it himself in his tires.
Yeah, that guy is driving right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, and basically we're following him now because we want to get a receipt.
For the insurance company, but we have to follow him to get to his office so he can give us the receipt. And we can pay for it because we haven't paid for it yet.
To the credit of this guy sitting right there.
Actually, he said he's gonna arrive in 30 minutes, and we were a little bit
skeptical.
skeptical about this because when they say so, it usually takes like maybe 1 hour and maybe not today. So, and he arrived 30, maybe 40 minutes.
As promised.
Yes,
As promised.
Yeah.
Very professional. It's not something you usually
See
in
Like,
Turkey.
Turkish service is good, but it is flexible.
It's very flexible.
Yeah, because they are not really.
I mean, they will come to you, but it may take like
Sometimes
any.
days.
So basically, even though it's like this fix is a little bit sketch, we can actually drive to the shop to have it permanently fixed. That guy, simple Turkish repair dude, just helped us.
The other guy who called him just came out of nowhere. He was just walking along the parking, I guess, and he saw us running circles around the car and not knowing what to do because we have a spare tire, but we don't
probably
actually know how to take it out because it's attached somewhere from the bottom and I have no idea how to do it.
You would figure it out, but we have strong feeling that it is not inflated. Even though it's a spare tire,
It could be an issue.
we cannot use it probably. So like either way, we have to go to the shop.
Quite an adventure.
Yeah, and the funny thing is, he doesn't speak English. We don't speak Turkish.
Yeah. We understand each other.
Yeah, but the sign language worked thus far. All right, he is a shop proper. Wow. Ne kadar? 280.
Yeah, it's 280.
Tamam. Just giving him money, getting our shit, and we driving back to the hotel. We'll see what our car rental is thinking. Yeah, is thinking about the car fix we did.
Yeah, I'm gonna send them a video.
Yeah, and
Ask if we have to look for another repair shop tomorrow, or is it enough? And maybe we don't know something about modern technologies. Maybe this one is okay.
But our repair guy says it's fine. He was driving it for 5 years straight, no issues there. But we have our doubts, so we contacting our rental and we'll update you later. I got myself Cheborek. I don't know if it's good or not, but could be good. Iron, napkins.
Okay.
It's hard.
So Cheborek is a pie with different fillings, and they fry them in oil, right?
Yes. This one is with meat.
Chicken or beef?
Beef.
Oh, they look really nice.
Yeah. Down in Antalya, it is very hard to find these. Up to Bursa, Istanbul,
Eskisehir.
and Eskisehir have them all over.
Yeah, it's like 5 places of Cheboreks in one block.
It's pretty good. Yeah.
Have you found meat?
Meat, onions, just that's how I like them.
And juicy?
Very juicy, not too much salt in it. You can feel like flavor.
So yeah, they have proper taste, I guess, and they are reasonably spicy.
Yeah, and fairly cheap.
How much was that?
90 liras for 5 and iron.
Okay, bon appetit now.